What's up, you guys? Jason Wardrop here, and in today's video I want to break down my Go High Level real estate snapshot for you. And I actually have two real estate snapshots, one for your master admin account and then another one for your real estate clients. So if you guys are already using Go High Level, I'm going to have a link down below where you can go through and grab those bonuses. Or if you're brand new to Go High Level, you've kind of been looking at the different things you could do for your digital marketing agency and then even convert it into a software platform. Then I'll also have a link down below with all the goodies and bonuses with both of these snapshots for you. Now, real quick, before I dive in and onto my computer and show you guys the exact Go High Level real estate snapshots and how they work and all the cool bonuses and templates and all that stuff, just a quick background on me. My name is Jason Wardrop. Back in 2015, I started my own software company. It was kind of a digital marketing agency turned into a software company, kind of like what Go High Level's pitching right now. It was a real estate lead generation CRM platform. I was able to get over 15,000 real estate clients onto that platform. Recently exited that business, and now I'm helping you go through and start your own digital marketing agency with Go High Level. So I want to be able to give you these two Go High Level real estate snapshots so that you can not only get customers, but also once you get those customers, you know how to fulfill for those customers. So they're actually getting amazing results, and so they'll stay with you long term. So with that said, let me jump onto my computer so I can show you these real estate snapshots so that you can scale your business with Go High Level. All right, so let me break down these two Go High Level real estate snapshot templates that you can go through and leverage in your own business. And remember, if you go through and sign up for Go High Level with my own affiliate link, then I'm just gonna give you guys these for free. Or if you're already on High Level and you're looking to maybe turn your business into more of the software platform like they talk about with the Go High Level SaaS mode, if you go through and upgrade to the SaaS mode under my affiliate link, which both those links are going to be down in the description, I'll also just give all this to you guys 100% for free. And remember, these are all like not theoretical templates. These are all things that have been tested, they've been proven. I've been using these for the last 6 years in my own business, generated a lot of money. I've gotten over 15,000 real estate clients onto my own software platform leveraging these exact templates. So you can see right here these sales funnels. So kind of walk you through them. So the first one is kind of just a basic website which highlights the different features that would be of use for a real estate agent, right? Because every feature is going to be a little bit different of how it's used for different industries. And then this is literally like the #1 funnel that you can use to go through and get real estate clients. This is my 30-day lead challenge funnel, and this absolutely crushed it. We generated well over $1 million in annual recurring revenue with this exact sales funnel right here, just pumping people through. It was a great offer for the value, and people were staying on the software significantly longer when entering in through this specific sales funnel. And then also I've got my high ticket sales funnel, basically go through and package the software or your higher end marketing agency service as well. So obviously you'll probably want to change up this image right here, but it's literally the exact sales funnel. I've got my VSL, I've got the phone sales script, I got all that good stuff for you. And so I just want to go through and help you guys out and show you what actually works, right? I see a lot of people on YouTube talking about some theoretical templates or sales strategies or hacks. Well, this is exactly what I did, and I was able to get quite a bit of clients using these exact strategies. And once you go through, if you want to get this Go High Level real estate snapshot through my affiliate link, I have all the step-by-step training how to go through and set it up, the strategy, the theory, and all that stuff, right? So you're not just getting the templates. I help walk you through and exactly how to go through and implement it into your business. Okay, now let's take a look really quick at the actual real estate client snapshot. All right, so I'm just going to come over here, switch. So you got the master real estate for real estate clients, or in the master real estate for real estate agency. So let's just switch over to this one. And this one's interesting. It's a lot simpler than you may think. All right, now I have these funnels in here. This is kind of more of a demo account, but I actually don't ever use landing pages or funnels for my real estate clients. The reason why is they just stopped working as well as Facebook lead form ads probably 3 or 4 years ago. And so what I'll also hook you guys up with is I've got all the proven Facebook ad templates like open house, buyer leads, seller leads. We've got all these different templates right here. And just to kind of put in perspective, on average, these are generating leads for $5 per lead nationwide. All right, and we've run a lot of money through these ads, and so we know that they're going to work every single time. You literally just kind of plug and play, just change up based on like the listing for this example right here, 5 beds, 3 baths, or whatever the listing is. and they're going to crank the leads in for your real estate clients. And then once you have the leads, and we walk through how to go through and connect the Facebook lead form ads for your real estate clients account, all that good stuff. But the key thing now is the follow-up, right? Because leads are cool, but what is a lead if you're not generating a sales conversation and if you're not actually booking an appointment for your real estate client? Okay, because they could go through and see, okay, I'm getting leads, but I'm just going to cancel your service because I'm not actually getting any real business from it. And so what we do here is the core thing in this one, and GoHighLevel just updated their user interface, so I'm just a little bit new on this. Let's see, we go to automation. So this is our workflow. So we've got our bi-monthly newsletter drip. So that means when a lead comes in, we're just going to continually drip on that person every other week so that we can go through and stay top of mind for our real estate clients, right? And this is great because these are generic emails and SMS follow-ups, so it doesn't matter if you're living in Dallas, Texas or Miami, Florida, they're all going to work for that person. And then you can see right here, we've got our buyer list follow-up campaign, lead notification. This is an internal message so that anytime your client gets a lead, they're going to get hit up and say, hey, you got a lead, congrats. And it's going to look like it's coming from you because it is. And so then you get bonus points when talking and working with the client because they're like, man, I'm getting like these lead notifications all the time. It's awesome. I'm loving it. And so that just reinforces your value for them, right? And then we've got the listing lead follow-up campaign and the seller lead follow-up campaign. So on all these campaigns right here, we'll just click into one of them. We've got follow-ups via text, we've got emails, we've got phone calls, kind of like the phone call whisper thing, so that anytime a new lead comes in, it'll actually call out to the agent and say, hey, you got a new lead, would you like us to go through and try to touch base with that lead? And so like it takes out all the heavy lifting for your real estate clients, right? So you can see like this, we've got quite an extensive follow-up right here. So anyway, guys, if you guys want this, like I said, I'm gonna hook you guys up when you go through and either sign up with GoHighLevel. And if you're like, okay, what is GoHighLevel? It's a simple software to manage your entire digital marketing agency. So the cool thing is it's just one flat fee. You can run your entire business and you can run all of your clients' businesses. And they just released a new system. It's called SaaS mode. SaaS stands for software as a service, which is really cool because you can turn their platform into your own software company. So a company like a Bold Leads or KV Core, all these other big software companies, you can basically go through and replicate it for yourself, and you can set the prices. And on their highest plan at $497 a month, you can bring on as many clients as you want. So let's say you're bringing on 1,000 clients paying you $100 per month. That's $100 grand per month in revenue, and your cost is still just $497 per month, which I don't know about you, but that just like blows my mind, especially knowing I was spending over $40,000 per month in software development costs, and you can basically replicate everything that I was doing for $497, right? So huge value add. So anyway, I just want to share these two GoHighLevel real estate snapshots with you. Links down below. Make sure you smash the like button, drop a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.